Hi everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to hide photos and videos in your device Samsung M33. So if you want to hide photos and videos in your device Samsung M33, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you're the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how to hide photos and videos in your device.